So in this video we're going to go over how to use coupons on your e-commerce website with Wix. Coupons are used to kind of help your sales by giving customers sort of special offers and discounts depending on what they purchase or different product types and things like that. And they've got lots of different options for coupons, so there's loads of ways you can use them. To start, you want to go into the Marketing and SEO tab and click into Coupons to get to the coupon dashboard. And this is essentially where you'll see all of the coupons that are currently being used or have been used previously. So to add a new one, you would just click Add New. And you can see the different types of coupon options that you have. So you've got discount, fixed amount discount, percentage discount. You can have a coupon to offer free shipping, coupon for sales, and a buy one get one free for coupons. So the fixed amount discount, they all kind of start off the same way. So you would add the actual coupon code. So for example, whatever, this is essentially the code that they'll use to actually get the coupon. So you can make it personalized to suit the theme of what you're offering. And then you have the actual amount that you want to discount. So this is fixed priced. So whatever amount you enter here is the amount that's going to be taken off the basket. So for example, if you enter 20, then this is the amount that's going to be applied. And when you select apply to, and you can select either a specific collection. So if it's a coupon to be used for a specific collection in your shop, then you can set it to that. For example, this coupon can be used for clothing, you could do it to that. You can apply it to only the lowest price item, or you can apply it to every relevant item in an order. So if in the entire order there's 3 items that are under the clothing collection, it'll either apply the discount to the lowest price item or the every item relevant in that order. So it'll apply it 3 times if it's selected this one. You can apply it to all products. So if there's no limit to whatever product it can be used on, you can select it to all products, or you can apply it to every relevant item in an order. So either apply it to the lowest item or apply it to every relevant item. You can also do minimum order or subtotal. And what that means is, so they'll take the order amount and they'll say if you do minimum order, then you can set a minimum order amount. So if their order amount is 25, then they can use the discount. Or if their minimum order is £50, then they can use the discount. Or you can also set it to a specific product as well. Most people would probably use it in this way, so they'll have to spend a certain amount to get that discount. And you can decide if you want to use it for subscriptions as well, if they want to use this coupon for one-time purchases and for every recurring purchase. And then you can set an end date, so it's valid between the current date, and you can either select don't set an end date, or you can select a future date to cause it to end. So if you wanted to set it for a month, something like that, you can. You can also limit the uses, so you can limit the total number of uses for this coupon. So if you click on that and then click 200, it means the coupon can only be used 200 times. So maybe you could say like the first 200 customers get this discount, or you can limit one use per customer, meaning the customer can only use it one time with their account details. So it's up to you how you want to set that, or you can just set no limits at all. A percentage discount is the exact same thing. So you'd set the coupon code, choose how it's going to be applied, give it an end date, expiry date, and limit the uses, except instead of, unlike the first one, is using a percentage discount. So if you put 10, for example, in this field here, it'll take a 10% discount off. If you select 5, it'll select 5% discount off. So that's how that one works. And then you can do free shipping, so you can offer a coupon that offers free shipping, and you can either apply it to all orders or the minimum order subtotal, and then all the other offers are the same. And then you have a sale price. So this is if you wanted to apply an entire collection or a specific product, then you can give it a sale price, and you can say now only, and you can set it to an actual price, meaning if someone were to buy a specific product or to buy a specific product in a collection and then they use this coupon code, then whatever product price that is, it will get changed to £23. And the same, you can add the product expiry or the coupon expiry, or the add limits to the uses. And then finally you can add a product code for buy one get one free. So for example, if they buy two, they get one free, and you can choose it for a specific collection or a specific product. So for example, yoga mats, if they buy two yoga mats, they get one free, and things like that. And whatever product it is basically that you want to apply that to, they'll get buy one get one free. So whichever one that you use, you would just select what type of discount that you want to give, set all the limits, and then just make sure you have all of the information added, and then you just click create coupon, and then that coupon is now active. And then what you can do is from the dashboard you can either edit it, you can delete it, or you can deactivate it. So it's up to you how you want to do that. But yeah, that's how I would use coupons, and it's very sort of flexible, and it's a good way to kind of boost your sales if you offer kind of different discounts every now and again on certain products and things like that.